Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about my hair care routine using Kesh Ayurvedic onion oil. So I'll be reviewing these products for you. So let's begin this video. I was facing a lot of hair fall issues because I have a chemically treated hair and my hair fall was to the max and I was very much worried about my hair. So that's when I started looking for products which are natural, and I found this Kesh hair oil and shampoo. Talking about the brand, Kesh is one of the trusted brands in India when it comes to Ayurvedic products. And this oil also has a floral fragrance, unlike other onion oils which has a onion smell in it. So this oil doesn't have it. So this is how the packaging of the oil looks like. The packaging is premium and is spill proof. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has a very premium packaging and the texture of this hair oil is also very light, and it also has a floral fragrance which I like the most because most of the onion oils have onion fragrance, but this oil has a floral fragrance. And this hair oil is specially for anti-hair fall, and it is a hair growth oil because onion is very much beneficial if you have hair fall issues and if you want to grow your hair longer and thicker. So onion is one of the ingredients that you can include in your hair care routine. So this Kesh Ayurvedic onion hair oil is specially for people who are suffering from hair fall issues, and also if you want your hair to grow longer and thicker, then this hair oil is a must try. So this is a 200 ml product which retails for 600 rupees. However, you can head to their website, which I've linked in my description box, to get great offers. So my hair fall has reduced to a great extent and I can visibly see how my hair has become really soft and shiny using this product.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Along with the Kesh Ayurvedic onion hair oil, I also use this Kesh Ayurvedic hair fall expert shampoo, which has also onion as a important ingredient in it. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is a 300 ml package which retails for 499 rupees, and this has 21 herbs and it also has a fragrance of flowers. This shampoo reduces your hair fall, increases your hair growth, and also gives you a silky smooth hair. So this product is sulfate free, so if you are looking for something natural, then this is the one for you. So the combination of these two products has helped me a lot in reducing my hair fall, and also it has given me thick, shining and smooth hair. So that was all about these amazing products. So if you're also looking for something that can help you reduce your hair fall, then these products are a must try. So that was all about today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.